looks like they got a pathway to the station, maybe an exit or an entrance through the queue. But this looks so good. Actually, as you can see right there, the concert area is open. So hopefully we'll be able to walk down the path and get some great views of the back section too, and walk that way to where the new supposed 2021 coaster is going to be. Wow, looks like they rerouted the pathway. Since the last time we were here, you can only go up there, but now they have it so the pathway is going right down. So this looks really good right there. And then you also have the coaster right there, but you'll be right now going under the spike. So let's go check it out. Looks like down there they've gotten the switch track about to run. Man, this is so cool. They got the whole pathway right there. They got this empty spot right there. So they got the pathway done for the last time we're here, so it looks really good. I'm out of breath. But man, I'm so excited. This may be the sleeper hit of 2020. Yep, right there's gotta be the exit. So you exit down and exit the ride. This looks so cool. That's probably gonna be the lockers right there, and the queue house is gonna be right there. We go from the old to the new pavement, right under Iceberg. It's my first time under. This is so cool. My goodness. It's really cool seeing this nice little plot of land here. Looks like this part right here is going to be open to the public. That's why they have the new fencing up. And as you can see down there, we'll be walking down there, but there's some supports and some track down there. So hopefully, I think that's the only part track work left is that turn down there. So this looks really good. Excited for this path, this whole area right here to be open to see this part of the coaster run by.
Can't wait, can you?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.
That's gonna be rad.
As we can see right here, this is at the stadium. So this is this like view is awesome. You can get a view of everything here. I've never actually been here, even though it's my home park. The stadium is Manta, Kraken, Mako, and then here is Icebreaker. This thing looks so good. Like I said earlier, the track is almost completed. All I need to fix the last turn at the end. So this is like a great view right here. Also, looks like it'll be a train station, like a or station where the train's gonna be. We'll store this train, and then here is the rest of the tour. Looks like we've got some cones here, and probably from a year from now we're gonna be looking up and it's gonna be a wing coaster here. I just did a video on what Zoo Orlando could get in the near future, so go check that out. But here is probably where the wing coaster is gonna be. This looks so good right there. It's probably gonna be right there. It's gonna go over the water, and here's a pathway that will go right through. So normally this pathway is not normally open, but it is now for the festival thing.